Okay, we're starting our very last unit today, and this is going to be over a bit of permutations and combinations. We're going to also discuss our fundamental counting principle. So if you look in our notes, it says if a decision M can be made little m ways and decision N can be made little n ways, then the two decisions can be made that m times n number of ways, okay? And that's just kind of a general rule. So let's look at some examples of that when we actually have numbers involved. So in our example, number 1, it says the ice cream shop offers a choice of 3, there's one choice, cone sizes, 15 flavors, there's another choice, and 8 toppings, that's another choice. So these are all the ways that we can create an ice cream cone. So how many cones are possible if you can only choose one flavor and one topping? So we're going to take all of these choices and we're going to multiply them together. That will give me how many choices I have to make total. So I have to take 3 times 15 times 8. And if I multiply all of those, I'm going to end up with 360 choices. That's the number of choices that you can choose for that ice cream place. Okay, so number 2. Virginia license plate consists of 3 letters followed by 4 digits. How many different license plates are available? So let's talk about, it has 3 letters. Let's talk about how many letters we have to choose from in the alphabet. We should have 26 choices in the alphabet. So I have 3 letters. So I have 26 choices for the first letter. I have 26 choices for the second letter. I have 26 choices for the third letter. And now I have 4 digits. Now I know that they can only be single digits. So my options are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 10 choices for each digit. I have 10 choices for the first digit, for the second, for the third, and for the fourth. I have to multiply all of those out. So if I multiply those in my calculator, I get this big number, 175,760,000 number of choices. Which makes sense because you would not want the same license plate as somebody else. If they committed a crime and they were looking for that license plate and found you, it would not be good. Okay, so number 3. Nick's science test has a section with 12 true or false questions. How many different ways can Nick answer these questions? So on each question, he has 2 choices, true or false. So you can take 2 and you can multiply it out 12 times. An easier way to do this, though, is to take the 2 choices that he has and put it to the 12th power, which is the number of questions that he has to answer. He has 2 choices for every question, and he has 12 questions. So 2 to the 12th power is 4,096. Okay, number 4. To enter their home, the Clayton family enters a 4-digit code. How many codes are possible? So for each digit, they have all of the single digits available to them. So 0 through 9. There's 10 choices there. So 10 choices that they have to enter in 4 times. So 10 to the 4th power is what you could do, which is 10,000.